Hello guys, what's up? So for today's video, to those who are new content creator, and this video is for you. So guys, I want to share with you my videos, my profile. So guys, as you can see, new upload videos which is 141 views, 523 and 678, 840. So I'm just telling you, I'm not in algorithm, I'm not viral person, but when you check on my videos, guys, this content is very informative, so I want to share with you what I am doing, especially on my videos. So guys, as you can see on my down video, so the lowest views is 1,000. Yes, my live also is 6.9. So the lowest views on my video is 1,000. So why it happened that all my videos is always 1,000 views? Minimum 1,000 views. So these things what I'm doing, that's why it happened like this. So guys, as you can see, every videos that I have is 1,000 views. So I'm just telling you, I'm not viral person. I'm not in algorithm. I'm not suggested also in algorithm. By why it happened that all my videos, reels videos, long form videos is at least 1,000 views. So these things that I want to teach you, okay? So what happened, what I'm doing is like this. So let's go back to the top, guys. So this what I'm doing. So I'm going to my profile. So as you can see, guys, so every videos that lowest views or not yet reach 1,000 views, this what I'm doing. So I pin here. So every videos that lowest or below 1,000, I will pin here. So every time those people or new people that are visiting on your videos, they are coming to your profile, and of course when they are coming to your profile, first they say is your videos, the one that on the pin. So automatic they are watching on that, okay? Those people are newcomers and they are engaging on your videos. They are saying your videos at the pin, and they are comment there, and they are watching on that videos. So that's what I'm doing, and that is my secret. Because you know what? We have, like, for example, with me, I have 80,000 followers right now, and it's not good when people are coming and visiting on my videos, that some of my videos are only 600, 500. It's not good, especially, for example, if I reach 100,000 followers. Yeah, it's huge followers, but when when they are checking on my videos, some of my videos are only 600 views, 800, even reach 1,000. So we need to take on that. So what we need to do, guys, we need to pin those videos that lowest views, so that every new person or every new followers that want to engage to you, they are watching on that video, they are comment on that video, and then when this video reach 1,000, and then you can unpin and share the new videos that you want to pin and put on that one. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So as you can see that all my videos at down is all below, no below 1,000. So it's a minimum 1,000 should be. So that is my secret why all my videos down is at least 1,000 view. I don't have any below 1,000. So the below 1,000 is on the top. It means that's my new content. Because as we know that we are not listed in algorithm, so only few people are watching our videos. But those people are new followers and new are engaging in our videos. So they are visiting in our profile, and they are seeing our pin videos, and they are comment on there, they are engaging on that video, and it's added on our views and until reach 1,000 views. So when the videos that in your pen post, they are reach, if they reach 1,000 views, and unpin on that, and again pin the new one which is below 1,000. So that's what I'm doing, and that is my secret why all my old videos are 1,000 above. So I don't have below 1,000 views. So that is my secret that I'm sharing all of you so that you have idea that do also in your videos so that everybody of your videos are at least 1,000 views each videos. So guys, I hope this video are help on your content so that at least in our video started views are 1,000. So I hope guys you understand my tutorial, and if this video help on your content, please don't forget to follow, like, and share so that you are always updated on my videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.